Good morning students, this is your English written work. Today we will do sound of AI. Sound of AI. Now first number it is train. How to write train? TRAIN, train. Second number it is rail. How to write rail? RAIL, rail. Next is third number it is Jane. How to write Jane? JAIN, Jane. Next is mail. MAIL, mail. Fourth number it is mail. Next is tail. How to write tail? TAIL, tail. Next is rain. RAIN, rain. Seventh number is sail. How to write sail? SAIL, sail. Next is bail. How to write bail? BAIL, bail.